Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called Dog Book. Every day I walk the streets, I find so many dogs to greet. They're friendly, some are shy, some lick my hand when I say hi. Some are hairy, some are bald, some are puppies, some are old. Some are big and some are small. I don't care, I love them all. Here's a Dachshund, short and squat. He's a sausage-like and barks a lot. This is actually a wiener dog. What a long body, such little legs. Please let me have one, Mom. I beg. Look at this marvelous body creation. A beautiful black whistle, white dotted Dalmatian, like a bouncing ball of full energy. Oh, let me take him home with me. Skinny, sleek, and built for speed. The Greyhound is a noble breed. Just look how this little one races around with his tail in the air and its nose in the ground. This boxer dog is a butcher's pet. His face is so squashy, his nose is wet. Whenever I see him, he's chewing a bone. Oh, how I wish for a dog of my own with a curly groomed hair and a pretty blank pink bow. This poodle belongs in a top fashion show, performing cool tricks, and on top of the trends, she'll be envy of all my friends. The Great Dane is a dog of impossible size. He's as big as you are, or a pony lengthwise. But despite that, this giant is really quite sweet. He'd love to give hugs and lie down on my feet. This old English sleep dog is so covered in hair. I wonder how well he can see under there. The shaggy coat makes him look like a cuddly bear. Why can't I have one? I'd groom him, I swear. This pug is a pup. I'd see out and about, snorting hello through her short little snout. Her squashy face smiles and she walks on her lead, and her little legs trot at remarkable speed. I sigh and I set off to make my way home, still wishing I had a pup of my own. But as I get near, I hear a strange noise, and toward me was quite suddenly a small fluff ball bounds. I feel a wet tongue lick my face. Can it be? Is this sweet puppy really a dog for me? This puppy seems different from all the rest because this is my dog, and my dog is the best. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!